Guys, we have a 2000 Chevy Sonic 2014, and we're gonna be doing the clutch, guys. So I'm just gonna be showing you in this one how you remove the starter. So it's very hard, guys. You go underneath here, and guys, I pop the axle out from here. I just open the spindle, the shock bolt and stuff. It's kinda hard. I open the shock bolt and I pull the axle out. You could take the axle right out by it, guys, but the bolt didn't want to come. So guys, I disconnect the 13 from here, and I have one 13 here with a ground. I disconnect the 13, and I have one bolt way in the back, guys. So you have to take out, you have to put a long extension. Okay guys, it's kind of hard to, okay guys, right there. You have to put a long extension, and you have a bracket right here, guys. You gotta move the bracket, because this is the bracket right here. Okay. You gotta move this bracket, guys. This bracket have two bolts with this kind of threads, hex, whatever this is. And then you gotta, if you don't have that special bolt, guys, special tool, you have to use, you could use an 8mm. It works very well on top those. And guys, yeah. And then you got a little wiggle room where you can put your hand closer up. So guys, if you go like this, you have an extension here. You try to feel around. If you want, get somebody on the top to tell you, because you have a hole there to tell you when it's on the bolt. And then when you get it on the bolt, guys, you could just try somehow get your tool up there, even the short wrench, and just wrench it out. And that's about it, guys. It's very hard to get the starter. You have to move the axle to try to get your hand up in there, guys. And I already did that because this is a manual transmission, so I'll be taking out the transmission to do the clutch and the pressure plate. So I just thought I might just show you how to get to the starter, guys. And this is the ground right here, as you can see. And this is the main wire here. The power wire is in the harness. So you just take out that one, and then you push in the back, number 13, and number 13 in the front, guys. So guys, if this helps you in any way, I know it's very hard to video this underneath the car, guys. So if this helps you anyway, this is how you remove the starter, guys. And that starter bolt in the back, I have to move that to get the transmission out. That's the bolt, because they make it so it's going in the transmission. So guys, if you like this video, if this helps you anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos, and if you like something, say something. If you don't, why not? All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Have a good day. I'm out.